Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be opening a box of Flair Marvel. It's a pretty cool set that has some very awesome inserts and artwork. Just got the numbered parallel Silver Surfer out here with the Power Blast of Galactus hanging out with some Human Torch. Just because that a Fantastic Four movie just came out this last weekend. It was pretty awesome. A Spider-Man sketch card hanging out back here. So we're going to see what we can get in this box and see what happens. Still looking for the 101's Invisible Woman. That would be freaking awesome. 101 Invisible Woman on a sketch card. Who knows? But here we go. Let's see what we can get. And hopefully we can get maybe one of the inserts we haven't gotten yet, which is the pin flares. They have a what was it? I got a couple of badge flares. They're pretty cool. Oh, it totally mutilated the box there. That's okay. As long as the cards are fine. Anyway, that's just great. We'll just tear right into that. Get right into this box here. See what we can get. All right, we got a Miss Marvel. Oh, we have a Loki. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Loki right there. Okay. We've got a canonical blast of Sandman. That's pretty awesome. Canonical blast of Sandman. And looks like a Doctor Doom. Oh my God, that is sweet. What is going on there? All right, that was a pretty cool first pack. Let's throw let's throw the canonical blast out there, or should we just let's just keep ripping packs. We got a canonical blast of Deadpool out there already. I already know what those look like. So let's see what's in this pack here. Okay. All right, let's see here. Oh, we got Vision. We got Rocket Raccoon. Awesome. Oh, we got something sparkly back here on a Solar Flare. A Namor. And a Wolverine on a Flareum. That's pretty awesome. The Flareum inserts are pretty cool on these. Solar Flare of Namor. Have to throw that out there just so we can look at that. Let's see what's in this third pack real quick here. There's only 12 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, so try to make this a little quick here. If I can get the pack open. Gee Louie. All right, we got a Mystique. We have a Rogue. All right, we got, oh man, a Power Blast of Mr. Fantastic. That is awesome. That's cool. Okay. And then we have a Miles Morales on a Flareum insert. That's awesome. All right, Mr. Fantastic is going up there for join the rest of the crew. Oh, the Human Torch is the crew there. Let's get Namor. There we go. All right. Next pack. Here we go. Okay. All right, we got Black Cat. We got Shang-Chi. Sweet. Oh, Invisible Woman on a I believe this is Iridescence. Iridescence. Invisible Woman. Nice. All right, we got a Doctor Doom right behind Invisible Woman. That's pretty fitting considering we just got the Mr. Fantastic. All right, that's fantastic. How about that? All right, well, we got Silver Surfer. I brought out the right cards here for this box, I guess. Let's see if maybe we can get Thing or oh, maybe a cool like a Mole Man or something. Or let's see what I can get here. And I got Daredevil. We got Quicksilver. And we got Iron Man on a solar flare. That's awesome. And a Magneto on a Flareum. All right. Iron Man on the solar flare, looking pretty sweet. All right. All right. Let's see what we can get in this next pack here. Let's throw Iron Man up there. Okay. We got Hulk. We got Molecule Man. Well, he's looking pretty cool. Oh, we got a canonical blast of Hercules. We got a Flareum of Galactus. Oh, that is sweet. Okay. All right. A little bit of some Galactus action. This was definitely a Fantastic Four. High side on the Fantastic Four. That's what I'm saying here. It looks like we're going to get a Thing here. Let's see. Looks like we got Star-Lord. And we got MODOK. That's a pretty cool MODOK. And a Hercules on a solar flare. And a Thing on the Flareum. All right, man. Okay. I think all we need is a Human Torch on this one, even though I have the Human Torch hanging out there already. Might see if we can pull a Human Torch in this box here. I don't know. All right, we got a Purple Man. He's a Purple Man. Oh, we got Green Goblin. That's awesome. Green Goblin is pretty sweet. Okay, we got a canonical blast of Rogue. That is awesome. Pretty cool. Rogue. And a Captain America Flareum. Looks like something happened to him. Maybe they got it. Well, yeah. Cool. All right. Let's see what we get in this next pack. We got 4 packs left here. 4 packs left. All right, we got Iron Man. We got Blade. That's pretty cool, Blade. Oh, then we got a solar flare, Thor. Awesome. And a Fantastic Four wedding. Awesome. Okay. Cool. I got something in here. Okay. One of those badge flares, I think. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. No. This is something else. Oh my goodness, what the heck is going on here? Adam Warlock of Splintered Facade? Whoa. All right. I have not gotten one of these before. That's pretty awesome. Sweet. Adam Warlock, a splintered facade. A splintered facade. That's awesome. Very cool. All right. Next pack, second to last pack. Just want to say thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that like and subscribe button. We got Magic hanging out. We got a Magneto. Oh, looks like it's on a fall flare, numbered to 299 on the Magneto. That's pretty awesome. Okie doke. All right, look at that. That's a X-Men, Dark Phoenix. Oh, man. Okay, that's pretty awesome. And the first one was Baron Zemo. Totally skipped that guy. Here we go. I was getting a little carried away with that splintered facade. And our last pack here. Let's see what we can get on our last pack. And we got a Miles Morales. And a Dormammu. Nice. This is one of my favorites. Oh, cool. Power Blaster Ronin. That's pretty awesome. And we got a Ragnarok on the Flareum. Man. That was pretty awesome box. Okay, cool. So, a little quick recap of the box. That was the last pack, last card. We got the Invisible Woman on the Iridescence, which is pretty awesome. We also got the Splintered Facade of Adam Warlock, which is pretty cool. And we got the numbered Magneto. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And always, keep collecting.